So sway frames, non-sway frames. Suppose this is sway frame. Okay. Similarly, if we have forces same like this, it is non-sway. Suppose this is L1, L1, L2, L1, L1. Suppose L1, L1, L2. Because the deflection pattern may be like this for this, but here the deflection pattern may be like this. You cannot expect any sway in right side frame. Okay. Similarly, sometimes support conditions may be different. Even though if you have symmetrical loading like this, because of one side fixed and other side hinged, it is sway frame. Okay, and here, so same loading conditions, I mean symmetrical loading, symmetrical structure, then it won't give any sway. Another example I will show you. For getting sway, see, loading is symmetrical, but suppose this column is having 2 EI, same length L1. Here this one L1 length, but EI. This may be EI. Okay. Then this also is sway frame because of unsymmetry in the rigidity of the structural members. Okay. See, left side column is having 2 EI, right side is having EI. That's why it is sway frame. Okay. Same, if you have same EI this side, L1, L1, L2, like this, beam can have different, not a problem. Columns must be same, right? Something like this. Okay, this is now the right side structure is non-sway because of symmetry in the geometry as well as loading, so as well as stiffnesses. Okay, I mean rigidities. Okay, and one more non-sway I will show you. Now this is non-sway frame because there is no possibility for having lateral sway. Okay, support is there here at right end. Okay, so this is also non-sway. Kirti, clear kadamma?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Chepma.
one side fixed, one side hinge not.
See here. Loading may be symmetrical, but this is L1 length, L2 length. Means, so now also this is sway frame, okay? Because of different leg lengths, okay? Because of different leg lengths, it is sway frame. So here symmetry is available. So we need to analyze 50% of the beam. That is like this. Actually, this is internal hinge. At hinge, you can see the deflection pattern actually. The deflection pattern is like this. At hinge, you can observe just left slope is different, just right slope is different, and deflection is there. That means it can be replicated by a free end. Okay, at hinge we can take as a free end, because in free end you see this is the deflection pattern of this cantilevered end. Okay, so it's exactly symmetrical, similar to that original problem. That's why. And load at hinge 30 kilonewtons is there, means see similar structure. See other structure, other side will be like this. Okay, so now we need to take 50% of load on left side. That means 15 kilonewtons. Here also 15 kilonewtons. So this is the problem. Okay, so how to analyze this, we'll see. Actually, first you fix it here. Okay, then for 15 kilonewtons, this is 2 meter. This is the fixed moment. 15 into 2, 30. That is the fixed moment, 30. Okay, now release that by applying opposite one. So how to release that? we need to apply in opposite direction. 15 kilonewtons here at support. For this 30, we need to apply. See, only one leg is there. So because BE stiffness is 0, total stiffness is having only AB member. So total for anti-clockwise, clockwise 30, we need to apply here. For that, in the same direction, far end will develop 50% of moment. That is 15 kilonewton meter. So this is the analyzed structure. Now, if you want to find reactions, you can find this internal support, 15 kilonewtons load here. Moment here is 15 kilonewton meter, 3 meter, 2 meter. A, B. Take moment support A. So 15 clockwise plus 15 into 5 minus RB into 3 equal to 0. So 15 5 is 75 and 90 minus RB into 3 equal to 0. So RB equal to how much? 30. See, RB equal to 30 kilonewtons. Obviously, RA will be downward 15. So this is the analyzed one. Okay, this is the analysis for this beam. So they may ask you to find moment at A, or find reaction at A, or bending moment somewhere else, or shear force somewhere else. Okay. Okay, we will solve some problems on moment distribution method. Okay, quickly. Find the rotation at B. Okay, so how to solve this one very quickly in terms of EA. Okay, otherwise take EA equal to 8000 kilonewton meter square. So by using moment distribution method, you can solve very easily. That is, so here stiffness 1 0 0 0 are the friction moments here. Here 20 into 2 minus 40 is the friction moment. Here 0. Now balancing 40 here, 0 here. Okay, carry over 20. These are the final moments. 20, 40, minus 40, 0. Okay. Now draw bending moment diagram or shear force diagram, both. Okay. This is 20. Okay. Now movement at reaction at B. See, anti-clockwise 20 and is it anti-clockwise or clockwise? That is clockwise only. Clockwise 20, clockwise 20 into 5, 100, 120. 120 by 3, 40, right? 40, that means here 20. Okay. Now shear force diagram is downward 20, like this, upward 40. That means comes here plus 20, here minus 20. This is the shear force diagram. Then bending moment diagram, SFT. Clockwise 20, that means positive. Then negative shear force is there, means okay, at B, bending moment is negative 20 into 2, 40. Like this. So just you need to join this. Here 40, 20 into 2. So obviously minus 40. So 20 and 40 means here this may be 1 meter and this may be 2 meters because of the ratio 20 is to 40 is 1 is to 2. That's why it is 1 plus 2 meters, 3 meters. Okay. Positive, negative, negative. Okay, this is the BMD. Dividing with EA, you'll get curvature diagram. Curvature diagram. Okay. So now moment area theorem you can apply. Okay. Moment area theorem. Theta. Theta at A, you know. Theta A 0. Theta B. So theta A, theta B minus theta A. Slope difference equal to area of curvature diagram. That means numerically, see here half into 1 into 20 by A minus half into 2 into 40 by A, which is okay. The deflection pattern you can observe like this. Like this. The negative indicates basically the this directional, the clockwise rotation. The negativity indicates clockwise rotation. So clear kada? Theta B elaga anukunnamo? Suppose theta C, if you want, minus 30 by EI, already some slope is there at B, then remaining area, that is minus half into 2 into 40 by A, that equal to minus 70 by A. Okay. Theta at C is minus 70 by A. And you can observe here curvature diagram changing here. That means the point of contraflexure. At point of contraflexure, you can observe that point here. Up to that point of contraflexure, the sagging you can observe, sagging here, sagging, right? Then after that, totally hogging. Okay, the pattern you can observe. Okay. Next. how to make use of symmetry. Okay, that we will see. Suppose if you have single bay like this, sometimes you may have like this. Similarly, beams like this. Sometimes so here, okay. Okay. Now, first draw deflection pattern. Something like this. Okay. Now, if you have a single bay, obviously, here you can observe deflection. I mean, deflection here. Here, deflection you can observe, but slope is 0. If you have deflection at center and slope is 0, then you will get guided roller. That means like this. %50 of span and a guided roller. Okay, suppose this L span, then it is L by 2. Here, in second one, if you draw that deflection pattern, something like this. Here, at center, I mean at axis of symmetry, you are not getting slope or deflection. That's why, obviously, you will take like this. Fixed one, okay? Kalyani, clear?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Similarly here. Suppose here. So it will be like this here. Here, guided roller. Here, because the pattern is like this. So obviously here you will get fixed one. Okay, like this. If you have some internal hinge like that, then you will get free support. Okay. Suppose this is the frame. Something like this. Now, first we need to find movements, right? A, B, C, D. Let us assume. Suppose if you have some MAB here, MAC, okay? MAC, otherwise, MAC, MCA, MCD, MDC, MDB, MDC, MDB. Anyway, here 0. Okay. First, separate everything. Okay. Of course, you will get origin reaction here. HA. HB. How you will get HA? Taking moment, suppose if you take this piece separately, okay. Now you have this MCA, MAC, and load 20 kilometers like this. First, how to get HA means, see, for this 20, you have 10, 10 like this because of symmetry, and MCA, MAC, both are clockwise we are showing here. So anti-clockwise couple will develop like this. MAC plus MCA by 4. Here also same. MAC plus MCA by 4. Then HA equal to what? HA equal to MAC plus MCA by 4 minus 10. That is HA. Like that, we need to find reactions. Okay. Similarly, HB also. You can find HB. How to find HB? Take this leg. Here MDB, and here 30 kilometers is there. 2 meter, 2 meter. Okay. Now reactions are like this. For 30, 15, 15 like this, and for clockwise MDB, so anti-clockwise will develop like this. That is how much? MDB by 4. Here also MDB by 4. So therefore HB equal to 15 plus MDB by 4. So after getting these reactions, okay, now take AC beam separately. Here after getting HA, you can HC also you can draw. Like this. HC also you can find. See, this is load 20. Here moment is there. MCA, here moment is there. MAC, here HA may be like this. Here it may be like this. Or okay, no problem. Directional is not a problem for us. Suppose here HA means here it may be 20 plus HA based on that value. Okay. Now what is the shear force diagram for this? For this particular leg, what is the shear force diagram? Like this. The HA may be negative. Okay, it may be negative. Or otherwise, if you think it is positive also, like this. Again 20 here, HA 20 here. It go like this. Depend upon value. Okay, you can draw shear force diagram. Similarly, bending moment diagram. What is the bending moment at A? MAC. Then what is the bending moment at C? What is bending moment at under the 20? So you plot and mark it. Okay. So like that you can get shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. Clear, Amma? Kalyani, clear?
Clear, sir.
Suppose three-body diagram for CD also. Here MCD, MDC 10 kilonewtons, 40 kilonewtons. See, take moment support A and find this reaction and find this reaction. So like that. After finding these reactions, okay, you know moments MCD, MDC. Just finding reactions, you know. After that, it is similar to the beam problems only. Simply support beam problems only. Okay. Just draw shear force diagram, draw bending moment diagram. Okay, like this. First, fixed movements. Okay, A, B, C, D. Fixed movements. So just fix it everywhere, then we will release. Already it is fixed. This is fix it here, fix it here, fix it here. 8 to 24 kilonewton per meter, 3 meter. 8 into 4 by 8, that is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise 4, right? Clockwise 4. Anti-clockwise 24 into 3 square by 12. 18, huh? Correct? Okay. Next, K dB 3A by 4. K DC 3A by 3. K DA, how much? 4A by 3. Sigma K 3 by 4 plus 3 by 3 plus 4 by 3 A, which is equal to 12 is LCM, right? 12 LCM, 3, 9, 16, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, A. So distribution factor of dB equal to 3 by 4 into 12 by 37, that is 9 by 37. Distribution factor of DC, that is 12 by 37. Then distribution factor of DA, that is 4 by 3 into 12 by 37, that equal to 16 by 37. 16, because 12 plus 9, 16, 12 plus 9, 21. Yeah, correct. Okay, these are the distribution factors. Now, first we need to release at B and C. So first you release at B. By releasing at B, anti-clockwise is there, clockwise 4 you apply. Because of that, clockwise 2 you will get here. Similarly, release at C, clockwise 18 is there, anti-clockwise 18 you apply. So anti-clockwise 9 you will get. So now how much is there? 4 plus 2, 6 clockwise, 18 plus 9, 27 anti-clockwise. Net is how much? 6 minus 27, that equal to minus 21. So how much movement should be transferred to dB? 21 multiplied by 9 by 37. What about DC? 21 multiplied by 12 by 37. DA, 21 multiplied by 16 by 37. Tell me these values.
$5.10.
Okay, next.
$6.81.
6.8. Next.
9.08.
9.1. Okay. Okay. Now these moments we will mark 5.1 dB, DC 6.8, DA 9.1. Carryovers here 4.55. Okay. So now final moments are like this: 4.55, 9.1, and here clockwise 4 to 10, 4 to 6, 6 plus 11, 11.1 here, and here anti-clockwise 27, 27 minus 6.8, 20.2 na, 20.2 anti-clockwise. Okay, these are the moments. See, now that is free end, right? So free end means 20 into 2, 40 also will come as a moment at a junction. Now first of all we'll see what are the stiffness, distribution factors. A, B, C, D, O. Okay. KOA equal to KOA 4A by 3. KOB equal to 3A by 4. KOC equal to A by 4. KOD equal to 0. So sigma K 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1. 1 plus 4 by 3, 7 by 3. So distribution factor of OA equal to 4 by 3 into 3 by 7. 4 by 7. Distribution factor of OB equal to 3 by 4 into 7 by 3. What is that? So it's 3 by 7. Sorry. Nine by 28. Distribution factor of OC equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 7. 3 by 28. Okay. Now, total moment. శ్రీనివాస్ ఇక్కడ గైడెడ్ రోలర్ దగ్గర ఎటువంటి రియాక్షన్ లేదు అట్ ప్రెజెంట్. రిలీజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు నువ్వు. ఓకే, అట్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఎటువంటి మూమెంట్ లేదనమాట. ఐ మీన్ ఎటువంటి రియాక్షన్ లేదు. దానిపై లోడ్ కానీ అలా ఏమైనా ఉండుంటే మీకు అక్కడ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది అనమాట రియాక్షన్. ఇప్పటివరకు ఏం లేదనమాట. ఓకే, సో నౌ total moment is 150 as well as 20 into 190. 190 moment is there. So moment of OA equal to 150 plus 40, 190 multiplied by OA distribution factor is 4 by 7. Moment of OB equal to 190 into 9 by 28. Moment of OC equal to 190 into 3 by 28. What are these values? 190 into 4 by
108.57.
108.57. Okay. Next.
61.07.
Next.
20.36.
20.36. See here, NOA 108.57. 50% of that, how much?
54.285.
OB 61.07. OC 20.36. Clockwise, so anti-clockwise 20.36. Okay, this is the analysis. Of course, here this is 40. Okay, 20 into 40, that one. Clear as, Srinivas?